everyone, it's your girl Addie. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today we're going to be cooking something a little bit fun. We're going to be making BOKOTO and Boli, also known as cow feet and roasted plantain. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be saucing it up in some peppery garlicky sauce and dousing this in coconut oil. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notifications so you can get future videos from me. Alright, to begin, we're going to do a couple of ingredients, okay? I'm going to bring out the main ingredients and then I'm going to bring out the seasoning. So it's going to be a two-part thing. Alright, so we're going to start with plantain, our cow feet and some tendon, habanero peppers. I got the red one because I want that red color, so I got the red one. Some bell pepper. This is pretty frozen bell pepper. A large onion and some garlic. Alrighty. Oh yeah, some champagne just in case you fuck up. At least you're saucy while you're doing it. For our seasoning, we're gonna need sea salt. I always cook with sea salt. I don't like the regular salt. I just love the taste of sea salt. Some Maggi. This is beef flavored bouillon cubes. I already have the shrimp flavored bouillon cube crushed. My little crusher. I forgot what this is called. What is this called? Y'all tell me what this is called. I forgot. Onion powder and garlic powder. Okay? Let's get cooking, guys. Oh! One more thing. Baileys. First thing we're going to do today, we are going to start with our meats. As always, wash your meat first. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put it all in here. Okay. These are really big pieces of meat. First, I'm gonna take my onion, split it in a quarter. We're gonna need this later. I'm gonna slice this. Okay. Put it in. I'm gonna take 3 bay leaves. I don't need so much. Okay, I'm gonna rinse my bay leaf. Put it in. Y'all told me to start measuring, so I'm gonna start measuring my seasoning. So let me get my measure. I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon of salt. My ancestors tells me that's not right, so we'll put it to 1.5 tablespoons. We're gonna take this powdered garlic and just put a couple of it in there, just generously. Get some onions. Okay. And our bouillon cube. I'm going to be using 3. So I have the water in about halfway. It's mostly covering all of the meat. I have my onion in there with my seasoning. I'm going to put it in the pressure cooker for about 20 minutes. For my pressure cooker, I'm using my Instapot, and I'm going to put it on the meat setting. Okay? Next, I'm going to be working on my plantain. But first, I preheated the oven to about 420 so that we can have that roasty, Boli plantain. So I'm using the Yoshi copper sheet, and I got this at Ross for about $6.99, and it comes in a sheet of 2. And what they said is it's great grilling and baking without all the mess. So I'm gonna try this out, and I hope it works out. Cut the top, the bottom, slice down the middle, peel. Okay. First, we're going to get some coconut oil. And we're just gonna make love to it. Just gonna make love to it. It's gonna rub it all over. Hey plantain, how you doing? What's going on? How was your day? Let me Let me get a little bit. Well, there we go. How was your day? You're gonna take a little bit of salt, just a little bit. Just douse it a little bit. Next, I'm going to just slice, big slices. I know you would say the point of Boli is for it to be one whole thing, but for my sanity and the purpose of my tutorial, I'm going to slice it up, big slices. I spray the sheet with non-stick avocado oil. And voila. So I'm going to put this in the oven and bake it. Keep a high on it and make sure that it browns evenly. That's my next step. Next, I'm going to work on my sauce. I'm going to get our trusted blender and start with the bell pepper. Everything's got to be washed. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Garlic. I'm using a full clove of garlic, which is about 8 pieces. Put just a little bit of water in here. Just a little bit. Right there. Next, I'm going to take my onion, cut it in half, and just chop it into 4 places, 6 places. Whatever you need to do to get it in there, and we're going to blend this in. And pour my pepper in here. See how red that is? That is beautiful. That's wonderful. That's what we want. All I'm going to do is cook it. I want all of that water out. So I'm going to close it and let it cook and let it do its thing. This is how I check to make sure that the water is gone. I just pull it back, and when you see water just coming back to you like that, closing it up, it's not ready. So I'm going to sit this back and cook it for a little bit longer. If you made it to this point, sis, you did good. This is what I'm talking about when I say the separation. You see, when I pull it back, there's no liquid coming back in here. This is what I'm talking about, okay? You made it, sis. So I'm going to take some olive oil, douse the life out of this sauce, and fry it up a little bit. And I'm going to just put a little bit of palm oil in it, just to give it that palm oil flavor without the palm oil cholesterol oil. Just generously put it in, enough to fry the pepper, so you gotta cover it. And next we're gonna just put a little bit of palm oil in there, just for flavor, right? Yeah, man, look at that sauce. Look at that sauce, yes. First you're gonna salt to taste. So it's usually about a tablespoon of salt for me. Mix it together. Taste it before you move on, okay? Taste it before you move on, because if it's salty right now, abort mission, okay? Abort mission. I'm gonna take some bouillon. This is shrimp flavored bouillon. Garlic powder. And cover it. Alright, so this is what it looks like right now. It's been sitting in the Instapot for about 22 minutes. And it looks just about done to me. I can tell it's done because, look, one of the cow leg completely has a bone off. Now that our sauce is up to heat, I'm going to just pour this in there, like so. So next, I'm just going to turn it on, okay? The sauce is just turning on, okay? Nobody's even touching. Well, I'm touching it, but yeah, it's turning on. Oh my god, this sauce is turning on. I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Once that's done, we're ready to plate and we're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really enjoy making this meal. I'm gonna give it a little taste test. Yeah. Got a little sauce on it. And the meat is just right. It is just... I hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I loved creating it for you. If you haven't done so already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification so you can get more videos from me, and make sure that you're following me on social media. I'll see you guys later. Bye, loves.